All right. That one kept tightening on me and it kept going too tight. So now I've got it at 5.005. And just now, this thing is a pain in the butt. To get this right, I mean, I got just a little bit of drag here. Is it too much? No, I think it's a little too loose. Just a slight bit of drag. I don't know, I guess I'm gonna try it like that. That one's the 0.9, so that's right, that one's like... 0.09, I should say. Not as feeling the drag like I should have. I think it needs to be tightened just a hair more. I think because it's, when I do it side to side, this thing's going like this, to the side, and it's putting the drag on it. But when it's straight on, it's smoother. It's like not as draggy. So I think I'm gonna have to loosen this again. Jeez Louise, what a pain. It's not that big of a pain in the butt, but when you're videoing, it's a pain in the butt. So stand by again.